How do you get massive engagement on your Facebook page if you're monetized? Now, you may be asking yourself this question, but actually the answer is right in front of you, which is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to specifically ask questions that will help out your page. Let me give an example. When I created my Facebook page based on artists or musicians, I started following bands that were just like the ones that I was interested in. And I wanted to see which Facebook pages were doing well. So let's just say, for instance, it was a page about the Rolling Stones or the Beatles or Pink Floyd. I would follow those pages, and then when I created my content, I would sort of not mimic, but I would definitely do something in the same vein of those type of questions that were asked on those pages. So let me give you a quick example. I saw one the other day. It said Kiss or the Eagles. Now, these are two bands that are nothing alike, but here's what it did. It created massive engagement. So what I encourage you to do is go to ChatGPT and do something like this. And remember, the more exact your prompt is with ChatGPT, the better the output. So let's show you the example. You can see here I put, give me 20 examples of two bands that are nothing alike, but help to create engagement on my Facebook monetized page about musicians or artists. The one I did that did well was Kiss or the Eagles. Let's press enter and see what happens. And this is the beauty of ChatGPT, is the information just comes instantly, right? So here we are, and these create these type of debates, are very interesting. Again, bands that are nothing alike. You can see here, you wanted a pairing of two bands, artists completely different, because the contrast sparks debate, comments, engagement on your Facebook page. So you can see these bands here are nothing alike, and this is exactly what will create engagement on your page. Sounds simple, right? Well, it actually is. The problem is, a lot of times we're trying to post and we're not sure what we're going to post, but we can actually look at other people's stuff that's doing well already and base it upon that. Now, if you want to learn more about Facebook monetization, I do have a step-by-step guide in the description box below, so be sure to check that out, because I will give you some great information and a lot of gold nuggets that are going to help out your monetization process. See you in the next video.